Good morning, Nurse Anderson. What are you doing to keep us safe?
Well, what we're doing is we're taking temperatures to make sure you don't have a fever. And you're good, you don't have a fever. So, another thing we're doing is we're keeping social distancing. We want to keep 6 feet apart.
How will I do my assignments this year?
I am so glad you asked. I want to tell you how to do your assignments every day in class. If you're a student, Monday and Tuesday, we're going to do our assignments just like you would every other night. You're going to take it home and you're going to complete them with paper copy and bring that to me on the next day.
What about when I'm not in class?
You are welcome to go online to the Mind or through Teams and do your work and submit it back to me either way.
How will I get my breakfast and lunch?
You have your breakfast and lunch prepackaged, and we'll bring it down to your classroom.
What about the days when I'm not at school?
For the days that you're not in school, on Tuesday, if you come on Monday and Tuesday, on Tuesday we'll have your breakfast and lunch packed for 3 days, and we send it home with you on the evenings. And if you come on Thursday and Friday, then have your 3 days packed on Friday. You'll take it home with you for the rest of the 3 days that you're not here.
How will I check out library books this year?
Well, this year you're going to check out books from your history classroom. But I'm going to come to you. Instead of coming to me in the library, I'm going to get a select number of books and roll them down to your classroom with your history teacher. And we're going to show you all the books that we have a selection of. And you can pick one book from there. And then you will be provided with a Ziploc bag that we can write your name on. And the book will be put in the Ziploc bag and left in your history classroom for the whole year. You can't take it to any other classroom, and you can't take it home. No other student can use your book, and it'll be there for whenever you need it in the next class.
Miss Lewis, how are you keeping the school clean?
Cleaning every day, sanitizing the school from top to bottom, wiping every single thing everybody touches, and just sanitizing, wiping all day long. We go around to all the rooms, spray, sanitize from top to bottom, and coming in the school, we do the whole entire building.
What do we use this code for?
This is a health questionnaire for employees and essential district workers so that we can answer some health questions. We can make sure that we keep you guys safe.
Welcome to Columbus Middle School. We have a great, exciting year for you. This year is different, no doubt about it. However, we're going to keep you safe and keep you actively engaged in the educational process. Whether you're hybrid or virtual, we're going to make sure we do our very best to keep you educated and safe all year long. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're here to help. Bye-bye.
Let's have a great year.
CMS is the best.